Okay, I just had this on. This was getting up to 300 some volts. I was getting like a negative 30 volts on that. This stuff was happening. But what happened, I had to delete it because I swore. I seen smoke coming from my deflection coils. And here it was, my resistor, thank God. Because I felt them right away to see if they were hot inside here. But this resistor was burning up. So I'm going to snip that out of there. But it requires it. It's 6.8K resistor to the yellow, the center tap. Of the deflection coil, or yeah, deflection coil. So I'm just going to snip that out of there and just not have a center tap, maybe. Let's see what happens. So there it is, burnt up. So I'll just have the, see what happens again. I'm supposed to have 360 volts. Okay, but I do have this stray flyback hooked up here. Let's get wires bent around here so I can operate. Make sure I got clearing. Okay. She's plugged in again. See what happens. That doesn't have that wiggly bit now without that center tap right in there. I got 370 volts. Holy shit. I got negative 30, what, 24. Well, this ain't going to be accurate because my switch on my probe is on AC. If I put it to DC, I get nothing. I better hurry up before this thing something starts burning. Ooh. Uh-oh. Look at that. That's good, I think, I hope. Wow. That's cool. So, my frequency is set 15.8. Deflection coil, I can't have the center tap hooked up because it's definitely hard on my center tap, whatever happens there. Must be an ohming thing. I don't know. It's over my head. But anyways, I got approximately negative 35 volts, so I'm 10 volts shy there, which is good. I got 377 volts for the, what the hell it's called? I said it like 80,000 times now. Boost voltage. It's supposed to be 350. Got sound system going. And another issue I have here is I got to resolder shit under this can. I soldered things up, but I don't think it, I should have wire wheeled the old solder. I don't trust the high voltage here. Anyways, I bought some that solder wick. I got it. It won't even, solder won't even attract to it. They didn't put the soldering paste on it or something. Bought it off of eBay. Useless. I bought a pump. That's still useless. So there I go. That's happening. That's happening. 378 volts. I might as well shut this off because I want to get a 9-pin socket hooked up here and a 2.7 ohm resistor and a lead going to so I can hook up to a pitcher tube. The pitcher tube for this thing tests weak, really weak, for about better than 10 minutes. Maybe 15-20 minutes it takes to get up into the green. I'm not sure, I didn't time it, but this is happened. This is looking really good here. Look at that. Shit. Haven't seen that since. Holy shit. That is good. But again, I'm unplugging it. So there I am. That on the 50 volt scale and 378 boost. I'll check things out. Might be lukewarm, I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't know. See what these feel like. Them are cold, so it must have a lukewarm to it then. The vertical windings are cold. Let me feel those again. They might have just a little warmth to them. This thing here, we'll see. Now this coil in here has that secondary. The primaries are way down below. Get the damn tube out of the way here. I think the primaries are in that bottom section. There's two sections there. See if I can get this going here. I'm out of focus, of course. Well, there's a bottom section and a top section, the high voltage and the primaries, and the filaments are my LED light. I always got to smack it to keep it going. So, yeah, my next step is to hook up the 9-pin socket and the I don't know, 2.7 ohm resistor, I think. Maybe this Frankenstein will work again. So, well, this is July 24th of 2020 at 5:03 in the evening. I'm drinking this stuff. That's just iced tea. So, maybe I'm making progress here. Okay, signing off.